future namhlanje baba. Yeah.
Awu kumnandi esikotini. Kumnandi esikotini. Abo emamakhelwane lapha eNashurena ninjani bo empilweni?
Ni right.
Ni right. Hayi. Lapha Cronan Kopho kona ngabe into si right. Hayi thina la esikotini hayi. Wayichukucha. Leadership.
Soft life.
Allow me to thanks Orlando Pirates supporters as a player number 12.
Yes.
They play a good role. Look, during the week, abantu abayemsebenzini but they make sure ukuthi babeza la Orlando esikotini kumele ama players afike kunomfutho. We give them 100% support, of which we as supporters were happy. More special, a win. Oh, it's a bonus for us. Yeah, it's a bonus. We're here to support. And then as a supporters, we know we've got a lose, we've got a draw, we've got win.
Yeah.
Win is a bonus, actually. To my players, keep up the spirit. To 10-1, happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday, boy. Apodi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Apolisi. Happy birthday to you. Whip, whip. Hooray! That's the love of Orlando Pirates supporters. Love you, boy. Siema is a real defender of the season. Siema is a real defender of the season. Ufaka umoya mfana. I want to say, ngangelela kamnyamana. Sokaliswa. Sorry, boy. Sorry, mfana Buthelezi. We know very well ukuthi uyazama ukuthi ungaprove point ukuthi usuke ekhaya. Unfortunately, abafana bayakwazi futhi benza sure ukuthi bayalwa beza kuwe. Sorry, boy. Hayi ngoba naku expose. Keep the spirit. Man uqhubeke njalo no coach futhi ya believe kuwena fana. This is Orlando Pirates Football Club. Siyakuthanda. Bafo. Ngifuna uzama kwingwenya. Maswanganye. Congratulations Tito. You deserve to go to overseas. Career yakho mayikuvumela. Isikhathi sisavuma. Go and make us proud. Like abomfukeni njengabehambile. Like abomfana bonkotha. Now you deserve and many more players basazokulandela. Pirates the way iperforma ngakhona. Thina sabalandeli kumele sibe happy masibona abadlali bethu be overseas. That's into nomunye umdlali ayifisayo empilweni. I think to Orlando Pirates management abadlali mabesuka kuKaizer Chiefs say no. Because each and every one match uzofuna ukuzojoina iPirates. And then please agent of some other teams players ningezi ngama plan envelope because senabona ukuthi Pirates abadlali baya phesheya phezulwandle. Please bafowethu ningasidisturb structure sethu sasebenza ngendlela efanele, of which we claim MTN 8 4 times in a row. Saturday I think Soshala is speaking. Saturday today was a warning actually.
Yes, sir.
Was a warning ukuthi Skukun friends of you they always praise you, says we know ukuthi isikukuni isosibela today bokunuka lana eOrlando bokunuka bodlule kumlandeli omunye ogqoke impahla ongasiyona eParis okweyeshisi bokunuka bonakele akusaminyeki kuphi ngathi ngibheka omunye weSantos ngambona ngathi ngithuze kwakhe kubi Paris ifikile baba. Paris ifikile. and then angidoubt ukuthi la esigodini they know very well ukuthi isikhukhuni sesizoqedelela. Yes, umuntu angazama ukuthatha ama-chance. This is the football, but end of the day Orlando Pirates is claiming their glory. We want to take for 5 times so that uMTN azashintsha design. Remember saya emabhida the time kuzoshintshwa design kuyi-war between us and Amazon. We claiming ukuthi sifuna the history ize kwa-Paris. Yaphelela kuthina i-design endala saqala entsha, now sifuna kushintsha le nentsha kuphinde ngenenye.
Of course, we're seeing some new names coming in. Abu Mutinyani, we also saw Mokobodi, Masilela as well. What do you think of our new signings?
No, what can I say to Orlando Pirates supporters? Let's be patient.
Yeah.
Let's give our young players a support. Let's try to stop to booing them. I know some of the people, they are misleading with the gambling. Betway sometimes disturb many people because some of they are counting corners, amanye the offers, goals, amanye the handballs, yellow card, all of the things. Manje isikoma sesingasahambi ngendlela. They are starting to crazy in this thing, and we are here to support our players. Yeah, if you bet us too much, it's better to stay at home, watch TV. It's better to kick your TV. Yeah, than go to destroy my players. You know, we are here to support them. Yeah, I think. Yes.
Last question. Radio Pani, 1 goal, 1 assist.
Brother, that is a great achievement. That's a great performance, and I wish them Red Open a strong time in Paris. Some of supporters, I was about realize that guy was because some loan and pick up. Good, I perform. I perform very good. Waphinde wabuye of which njengamanje sekaluka ashiva, so I'm happy with him. Kumele continue asebenze very hard. Yeah.
Thanks, Bob Chwacha.
Ciao.